While in the previous video, we looked at how you can quickly use Airbnb newest features to brighten your listing images inside Airbnb app, in this video, you will learn how to use your phone in order to take new, bright, and sexy images of your Airbnb business without the use of a pro photographer or fancy gear. Hi, I'm Alla with Picture Perfect Listings, where my goal is to help Airbnb and short-term rental hosts to take and improve their images. We need to stop showing our guests dark, pixelated, and uninviting images like these, and retake them while utilizing a few helpful tips to create well-exposed, in focus, and beautiful images that scream, "Book me now!" Time and time again, I come across Airbnb listings where the curtains are closed and the blinds are down. Why? Are you hiding something from your guest? Is there a construction site outside of your window? A brick wall? A peeping Tom? So, open up those curtains, let the natural light in, and show your guest that you have nothing to hide. Tip 2 to brighten your future images. Photograph your space during the day. Notice how I didn't say evening or night, because those images don't look as aesthetic and inviting as these. Don't you agree? Always try to photograph your images in the middle of the afternoon or the brightest part of the day. Notice anything else about these bright and beautiful images? Tip 3 to brighten your future images. Turn on the lights. What? Shoot during the day and turn on the lights? Yes, shoot during the day and turn on the lights. One more time. Shoot during the day and turn on the lights. See the difference? Now go shoot during the day and turn on the lights. Even Airbnb recommends this tip, so do it. If you're getting value from this video, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this one. Tip 4 to brighten your future images. On your phone, increase brightness while taking the picture. In your native camera app, go to take a picture. Before capturing the shot, touch your screen like you're focusing on something. This should produce a yellow square in iOS or a white circle on Android. See a slider with the sun in the middle? This is brightness. Drag the slider to the right on Android, up on Apple devices to make your room appear brighter. Remember, moderation is key, so brighten it a little bit and take the shot. Nice work! Tip number 5 to brighten your future images, you will need to download an app which will give you manual camera controls, like this one. In the Lightroom app, click the blue camera button in the lower right-hand corner. On the left, choose Professional Mode. Here you can change shutter speed and ISO settings, both of which will help you to bring in more light into your phone sensor, making the image brighter. Here's how. For shutter speed, drag the slider to the left to increase brightness. But remember, the slower the shutter speed, the more shake and blur you're introducing into your picture. Use a tripod for slow shutter speeds and try to avoid going lower than 1/60th of a second. To change ISO, drag the slider to the right to increase brightness. But remember, the higher the ISO, the more grain, fuzziness to your image. Best idea, keep ISO as low as you can, or below 1000 for best results. Don't forget to use grid lines to keep your lines vertical and horizontal. While in Lightroom app, click the 3 dots to the right of your shutter speed and ISO settings. Click the eye icon, then select Grid, then Thirds. To help you remember how to use this feature, you can check it out in this video about fixing your tilted images. Aperture in the Lightroom app is a part of the focusing section, where you can drag your slider towards the flower or mountain. But if you're a novice photographer, then stay closer to the mountain side of the slider, keeping your Airbnb space in as much detail as possible. You remember me talking about this Airbnb photo in previous videos. Do you think we can fix it? Actually, yes. When retaking this photo, a host needs to use another phone's feature that we haven't talked about before. This feature helps to increase the dark tones in the photo while bringing down the highlights. This super helpful feature goes by the name of HDR, or High Dynamic Range. Let's compare before and after. It is a significant improvement from the non-HDR photo. Now you're using the features and the knowledge of a more advanced photographer. Way to go! As you can see, brighter or better Airbnb photos are not a matter of talent, more expensive gear, or years of experience. You too can do what professional photographers do with your phone, photography tips, and practice. Don't get too overwhelmed with the settings on your phone or camera for your next listings shoot. There is another mistake that a lot of hosts constantly make, and it has nothing to do with your phone. See if you can figure out what it is that I'm talking about from these actual Airbnb listings. Let me know in the comments what is the error here. And I will see you in the next video.